Tikkurila is a Nordic paint company. We manufacture and sell paints and coatings. We wanted to harmonize the AP process within our different companies and countries. Some were still kind of handling invoices with paper stamps. We really wanted to have one system and one process of working from the time that we receive it from our supplier until it gets approved and finally booked into our ERP system. And Medius Flow enabled us to be able to do that. We now have a fully controlled process. We're able to follow our invoices wherever they are, so we don't need to actually put them into paper stacks on our desks. With the plug-and-play integration that Medius Flow actually offers towards Microsoft ERPs, it's very smooth and simple to implement and also enables very rapid deployments. Since Tikkurila Group has approximately 3,000 employees, it has been very useful to be able to have this kind of cloud-based implementation, enabling us to do a very rapid deployment. The great thing is, now we have full control and clear visibility of the whole AP process.